Right, hey, Tracy Repchuk here, and I'm going to show you how to optimize a YouTube video across your other social media platforms so that you can get more attention and therefore increase, of course, the number of views and ranking of the video in YouTube. So what you would do, of course, is go to the video that you want to share. Okay, and then it will bring you to the details. Here you can just you click on the video link, and it's going to take you to your video. Now, the first way that you can easily share this is to just click on the share button. And then when you're, of course, on a computer that is integrated to all your other social media platforms, you can simply click on this. It will load it up. It will give the title. Here, I could hashtag this. Okay, so you can modify what it gives you. I'm going to hashtag that. And give that by YouTube. I'll keep and I'll say book your spot now at let's see if I got another one here. Prime retail. Okay. I'll just say retail. And again, you can just you can just accept anything you want, okay? Time, space, rank by day, week, weekend, or month. Okay, doke. And there's that, and we tweet it. And there it is, okay? And again, then you can pick your LinkedIn and you can do it on there. You can pick Pinterest, do it on there, pick your Facebook, okay? And it will post it across all of the platforms that you use. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to copy the link, and then you're going to go to LinkedIn. You've already posted it, okay? And now what we're going to do is create an article. So you'll hit the home button. It will put you at the front, and normally people will click and do a post. In our case, we want to write an article. Alrighty, so we're going to go in there. I'm going to write it as me. And a couple things you'll notice here. So you got your headline. So I'm just going to call this, same as the video, benefits of a pop-up shop rental. Okay. And then I've got the link already, right? So I'm just going to go right here, and I'm going to click the link, the URL button, and I'm going to click that. Okay. And the URL, and that, and apply. Okay, so and above it, I'll just say watch here to find out more. Now, where am I going to get the interesting data about the video? I'm just going to go back to here. I'm just going to copy from here. And I will paste it above here. And the benefits are plentiful. Okay, I'm going to space a little bit because now this is like an article. Okay. Pop up, da da da. Now this, I'm going to put below. Okay. And watch more, find out here. And then I'm going to put the rest of that data below. It's brought over my hashtags. I can actually add others as it suggests, or just leave it as is. And then the one thing you'll notice here, you don't have a cover image. To get that, you can do a cheat. It's not perfect because it's not the right size, but you can go here and you can do a screenshot of a piece of your video, okay? So in my case, it's Shift-Command-4 because I'm on a Mac. And
ready or not to the Main Street pop-up shop.
Okay. And there it is. I can tell now because I've got my dragging tool. And I do that. And then I'm going to go back into the video. I'm going to click on the cover page. And it's going to grab my screenshot that I just did. And you'll see it really doesn't fit. It's not the right size, but it doesn't matter because it's something visually stimulating that is better than nothing. Okay, so there we go. Now I can also say, you know, to reserve your space today, go here. Okay, and then I'm going to do this. Okay, Main Street pop-up shop. Now this will be your website location, wherever you want them to go after. And I'm just going to embed this link. So I'm going to put that there and apply, so that then when they click it, it goes to it. And there we go. Then I click on publish. And you can say a little bit about this article that they're about to read, and you can say, find out the benefits of renting our pop-up shop located in Mahone Bay. Let's say Nova Scotia. Okay, it's not going to actually get me a lot of attention, given the description, but that's fine. I'll say pop-ups, pop-up, hashtag pop-up shop, and this is our own Main Street pop-up shop. That's our own kind of hashtag. Then here I can say retail, you know, I can go down this kind of thing, and then I'll just hit publish. So now you have your post and you have a nice article. When it's done, you can reshare the article from LinkedIn, again, more power, and you can get the link to the article and you can promote it anywhere you want as well. It all starts to become asset built from one asset, right? So you get multiple powers from it. So click on here and it will take you to the video.
Welcome and ready or not to the Main Street.
There we go. And that's how you get more power from your YouTube videos. Thanks for tuning in. Find out more about me, subscribe to my channel.